Hi guys, back with another video today. I'm trying to challenge myself, so I was gonna start with something new. Yeah, so if you want to find out how I got this look, please keep watching. So first I went in with the Milani Prime Shield mattifying primer. I just prefer mattifying primers. I tend to have oily skin. I have combination skin, but I definitely say I lean more towards oily skin, and mattifying primer just mattifies and reduces the oil in my skin. And then next I went in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade Light Ivory. I don't really have much of an opinion about this. I don't wear it too often. I will say it does have a pretty strong scent to it, so if that's not your thing, I wouldn't try it. But I mean, overall, for what you pay and everything, I think it's a pretty good product. And I actually went in with a different sponge this time. It's the Real Techniques Beauty Blender sponge. I like that one a lot, so I decided to pick one up the other day. So with that foundation, of course, and that beauty blender, it's a damp beauty blender sponge. I'm gonna just blend that out evenly all over my face until I build my desired coverage. And then I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camouflage Concealer, and the same as last time, kind of just did triangles under my eyes, a little bit on my chin, my lip, my nose, and middle of my forehead. And I'm gonna blend those out with the same beauty blender sponge. Right here, I just went in with the Fit Me Maybelline Loose Powder and just packed it underneath my eyes where I set the concealer, and my chin as well as my nose and my forehead, and a light dusting around the rest of my face. Next I went in with a new product today, the NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. In my last video I had said that I usually work with pencils, so I just wanted to give myself a challenge today. Kind of came out looking the same to me, to be honest, so it'll be something that I work with a little bit more to get myself used to for sure, but I'm pretty happy with how they came out. And then I went back in with a flat concealer brush and tried to carve out underneath my eyebrows to clean up the edges. Right here, you'll just see me going in with my concealer brush and a little bit of my foundation. And I just cleaned up the outer edge of my eyebrows before I start the eyeshadow. And then you'll see me go in with the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette. I'll be using the pink shade, the purple shade, and the blue shade. I don't want to mispronounce the names, so I will put them in the description box below. So first you're going to see me going with a small detailed brush in that pink color, and I'll just be sweeping it back and forth to start building up as much color that I want for this look. Right here you'll see me going in with a small tapered shading brush, and I'll just be trying to build up more of that pink color. I did this time mix it a little bit with that purple, but definitely trying to keep it pink in this one. Right here you'll see me go in with just a fluffy shading brush, and I'm just trying to soften the edges so that they're not so harsh and blend them out. For today's look, I'm doing kind of a cut crease. It's just kind of a half cut crease, so I'll still need to do the same process as last time if you watched my video. Just concealer and a flat concealer brush, and go and carve to your desired cut crease. Right here, I'm going in with a flat brush, basically, and I'm just trying to pack on the blue color onto my lid and as close to the crease as possible that I just created. So right here you'll see me going with the tapered shading brush, if you want to call it, and I'll be packing on that purple color to the outer corner. Here you'll see me just going in and continuing to pack on that purple color. I like it a little darker, so for the look that I'm going for today, I'll keep packing it on. You'll see me go back in with the small detail brush, and I'm just trying to reiterate that pink color again, just to ensure that it's definitely visible at the end of this, because it looked like it was getting a little faint once I added the blue and purple. So and right here I'm going in with the e.l.f. liquid liner in black. Just gonna start on the edge and draw a line upwards from my bottom lash line, and then create a triangle and drag it back down towards my lid, and then fill it in, and I'll do the other side as well. Next I'm going in with a black just eyeliner pencil to fill in my lash line. And right here I'll just go in with my eyelash curler and a coating of mascara. While I wait for the eyelashes and the glue to dry a little bit or get tacky, I'm gonna go in with my blush and bronzer. And like I said in my first video, I'm still very new to the bronzer thing, so yeah, just give me some patience and I'll get better at it. But you'll see me go back in and kind of blend it out so it looks better. Up next is my eyelashes, so I'm going to set the lash in the middle, and then I'll do the outer corner and then the inner corner, just like the first time. Next I'm going in with the e.l.f. Mist and setting spray, and following that, when my face is still damp, I like to go in with my highlighters, so I'll be using that Revolution strobe highlighter again with that iridescent purple. That's my favorite one, so look at the shine. Next, I'll just go back in with this small detail brush and add a little bit of the pink and purple on my lower lash line and kind of blend it out, and then go in with the bottom lash mascara. Next, I'm going in with the Great Lash Just Clear mascara. I use this as a brow gel basically, so it just lays the hairs really nice. And I tried to go for more of a hairy eyebrow look anyway, so I like how this works. Shout out to Maya! Today, I decided to try a new lip combo, so it's two different colors, a suede matte lip liner pen and a soft matte lipstick from NYX, just to kind of have a nude color. Ultimately, this color wasn't exactly what I was going for, but it worked and I didn't feel like changing it, so. And lastly, I'll just go back in with that concealer brush and just clean the edges of my lipstick just to make sure it didn't bleed out and that it is clean and crisp. So that's going to complete the look today. If you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe. Thanks again, and look for my next video.